The polls today saw a relatively low voter turnout. It was just a little over 50%. We'll wait for the final numbers. But there was a controversy. The opposition alleged that the marker pens that were used instead of indelible ink during voting could be easily manipulated. Several videos surfaced showing the ink being easily wiped off the voters' fingers. The BMC and the State Election Commission has denied any malpractice but has admitted that there is a need for an inquiry. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has also asserted that the ink could not be removed. Take a look at this report.
The first election in 8 years for Mumbai's civic body has been clouded by controversy. After a high-voltage campaign, polling day turned equally charged, with the opposition alleging electoral manipulation. The Thackeray brothers, reunited after 2 decades, accused authorities of using marker pens instead of indelible ink, claiming that it was done to benefit the ruling Mahayuti alliance. They allege the ink applied on voters' fingers can be easily wiped off, holding the State Election Commission and the BMC accountable.
बाईचं नाव रवींद्र असेल का पुरुष मतदाराच्या नावाच्या पुढे बाईचा फोटो याच गोष्टी आम्ही मोर्चा काढून सांगितल्या होत्या निवडणूक आयुक्तांच्या समोर ठेवल्या होत्या त्याच्यानंतर शाई पुसल्या जाण्याच्या तक्रारी येत आहेत तर हे सगळे निवडणूक जिंकण्यासाठी यांचा आटापिटा चाललेला आहे बोटावरची शाई तर पुसली जातेच आहे अशा प्रकारे यापूर्वी कधी झाले नव्हते
येन केने प्रकारे निवडणुका जिंकायच्या आणि त्याच्यासाठी जे काही वाटेल ते करता येईल त्याच्या सगळ्या गोष्टी सरकार आणि प्रशासन बरं का आता काहीतरी नवीन पेन आणलंय आणि ते पेन मध्ये इतक्या तक्रारी सगळ्या बाजूनी येत आहेत की तुम्ही बाहेर पडल्यावरती त्याला जर सॅनिटायझर लावलं तर ती शाई जाते.
The Congress echoed these charges, releasing videos purportedly showing ink being erased from fingers with ease. The Mahayuti, however, has outright rejected these allegations. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis even staged a live demonstration, asserting that the ink used is indelible and cannot be removed.
कि अभी मैंने ये मार्कर मेरे को लगाया हुआ है, अब इसको मिटा के दिखाइए, देखिए कहीं मिट रहा है, देखिए आपके सामने कर रहा हूँ कहीं मिट रहा है. ऐसा है कि हो सकता है कि किसी का इसके ऊपर ऑब्जेक्शन हो, इलेक्शन कमीशन ने देखना चाहिए और कुछ इस्तेमाल करना है तो करना चाहिए. मैं तो बोलता ऑयल पेंट करना तो ऑयल पेंट करिए, चुनाव निष्पक्ष होने चाहिए.
Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde slammed the opposition, saying that the allegations are nothing but excuses from parties staring at defeat.
वो तो पोलिंग एजेंट तो उनके भी है ना, सभी पार्टी के पोलिंग एजेंट है. डबल वोटिंग करना तो उसको ऑब्जेक्शन देना चाहिए.
While the BMC has dismissed the claims, the State Election Commission too has clarified that anyone who tries to erase the ink from the finger can still not vote again. But whether that is enough to placate the opposition remains to be seen. Bureau Report, India Today.